Hey everyone, need an easy way to track work hours? Creating a timesheet in Excel is simple and keeps everything organized. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to make a clean, functional timesheet. So let's get started. First, create your headers. Add columns for date, employee name, clock in, clock out, break hours, and total hours. These are the basic fields you'll need to calculate daily work hours. Next, enter sample data for a few days. Type in dates, employee names, and clock in/out times. This helps you test your formulas and formatting before adding real data. Now calculate total hours worked. In the total hours column, type a formula subtracting clock in from clock out, and then subtract any break hours. For example, equals clock out minus clock in minus break hours. Make sure your time cells are formatted correctly. Select Clock In, Clock Out, and Total Hours columns. Right-click Arrow Format Cells Arrow Time. This ensures Excel calculates hours properly and displays them in a readable format. To summarize work hours, use the sum function at the bottom of the Total Hours column. This gives weekly or monthly totals for each employee. You can also use SUMIF if you want totals per person. For clarity, you can use conditional formatting. For example, highlight total hours over 40 in red to flag overtime. Go to Home arrow conditional formatting arrow new rule, then set your conditions. Finally, save your timesheet as a template. Go to File arrow, save as arrow Excel template.xltx. This way, you can reuse the same format every week or month without rebuilding it. And that's it. With this setup, you can easily track work hours and manage employee times in Excel. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, Mo, and I'll see you in the next one.